by the time King Herod's soldiers arrived in the city, he was already gone.
From a dark desert highway, we pulled into the inn. Wrong car for his senses. I was from Bethlehem. Up above from a distance, a star was giving me light. My wife was in because a child was due. We had to stop for the night, so I stood in the doorway of Bethlehem Hotel, and I was thinking to myself, I hope to heaven they'll give me some help. But they told us no can do, and they sent me away. There's a place around the corner though, where you both can stay. Welcome, but the hotel can't afford you. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, but we're out of space. We ran out of room and the hotel can't afford you. It's the time of year, it's the time of year, with the census here. My wife was definitely gifted. That's what the Lord's angel said. She was about to have a baby boy, while still virgin. We spent the night in a barnyard, cheap slumlord's rent. Some night to remember, some night to forget. So because of what happened, I was grieving for my wife, and I said, they probably haven't cleaned it here since BC 65. Animal voices were calling for straw and hay. Keep you up through the middle of the night, just as if to say, hey, welcome, but the hotel can't afford you. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, but we're out of space. Holiday rush and the hotel can't afford you. What a nice surprise, what a nice surprise for your silent night. He was born that evening, and shepherds came that night, and they said, we're all just visitors here of the Holy Christ. And in the nurse's manger, they found the boy asleep. They started getting teary-eyed, so they went back to their sheep. Last thing